Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we'll look at how to convert image text to text. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell symbol before watching this video. So, let's get started. Open Google Drive and upload the image to be converted into text. Right-click on the uploaded file to open it in Google Docs. You can now see that the image's text has now been converted to text. You can make changes to the converted text by adding more text or doing whatever you like. Additionally, the text size can be altered. Additionally, you can alter the text's font, and if you'd like more options, just select more fonts. You can align, bold, italicize, and link the text with these formatting options. By selecting the share option, you can share the document with others. I hope you enjoy this video and will subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.